Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc has strongly criticized the BJP-led NDA government for diluting and manipulating the Right to Information RTI Act, calling it an attempt to weaken transparency and accountability. The statement was made during the observance of the 20th anniversary of RTI Act's implementation held at Congress Bhavan, Imphal as part of a nationwide observance by the Indian National Congress. Addressing the media, senior spokesperson N. Bhupendra stated that RTI Act, a landmark legislation enacted under the UPA regime in 2005, empowered citizens to seek information and expose corruption. However, he alleged that since 2019, the BJP-led NDA government has systematically eroded its core provisions. The fixed 5-year term of information commissioners have been removed, giving full discretionary power with the center. Further, he said that digital personal data can no longer be disclosed even in matters of public interest, reversing earlier provisions that allowed such disclosures to uphold transparency. He added that several posts of central and state information commissioners remain vacant, leading to higher pending cases. And Bhupendra demanded restoration of the Act's original provisions and urged the government to return the power of information to the people, which he said is crucial to combating corruption and strengthening democracy.
Information Commission si dai koina case mayam ma tharak pasi 2024 ki June bhaubada case hajik lairiba appeal complaint mayam ma lairiba se masi pending da lotion da lairiba se lakh mari ge lising mangani hai basi 2019 da oiramba masing dudagi adudagi hena anirak oina haibadi 2 times double hena henjelakli masidagi koina RTI tharu matamda Mayamasu Pangide. Madudaki ngasi su Bharata, Manipur su talked about RTI activists singbu hatpiba, RTI activists singbu damka taroka jail arbitrarily namjan biba, Masikumba etek sataribasi, Mayama Yame, Timida Ganatra by the power of United States, Amasu European Union gi Levak, Deskaya, Amada Levakaya, Amada whistleblower Sibu, Akoina, Sukimatik, Masibu Sakang Biri Haraga, Makoibu Nakpi Shenbiri, the Wokoi Levak, Bharatadi. Shri Narendra Modi ji lakibadagi UPA Congress ki matamda ek oina parliament pass toramado madu thawing ki sana handagi mongda thambiduna whistleblower singi protection se pibidana lairi aduna se da khak lairaga law oina onthokpidaba rule oina semidaba se masigi lai thibani